Embarkation Nation. Hey, check out this view. Check it out. We're here in Belize. I can't believe it. It's almost over. I'm sad. I love it here. It's nice and warm. It's not really that cold or hot. It's nice and warm. We're probably not gonna spend too much time out in Belize. We have two cruise ships over here. One looks like Carnival and the other one might be Princess.
Welcome to Belize and enjoy your day, guys, alright?
We made it to Belize.
We did. It's unbelievable.
Unbelievable. So we're at the port, right?
Yeah.
We went into Diamonds International.
Yeah, I have all the charts probably a long time ago, but this time I'm collecting them for Chloe for all the first time she goes to a port to put on a charm bracelet.
But we're not really doing anything. There's not much on the menu today. It's pretty much just chilling out, and we took our time getting here, so.
Yeah, we didn't rush off the ship. We're just kind of we're having some 3-year-old emotions today. We've had to have some parenting.
Now, also guys, here in Belize, folks, sleeping is not a must for us. But for us guys, if it's given men, folks, it's a giant plus. A giant plus that truly goes a long way with us. So if you guys feel the captain and crew did a great job, you guys back to your home away from home from your fun day.
So the thing I've noticed about the Vista is how much rust is on it. I know we've talked about dry docking it and how it's needed. But I haven't noticed a Carnival ship with this much rust in a long time, just personally. You know, and used to, I'd see them in port, they're out there painting and stuff. I haven't seen it for this cruise. So, but there's a lot of rust on this ship on the outside. But still not a bad ship. She was like, nope. Nope. she loves Daddy, but she's like, she can't do it. Oh, she did it. She cheated. She didn't like that.
Gone. Sorry. All these things spin. Oh, we're done. Oh, he ran off. He's afraid of the water. Woo! Chloe. Chloe, come here. Woo! Cold. Oh. You're okay. You're okay. You got this. Come on. You're getting so close. You're so close. Watch your step. Watch your step. Woo! On the slide. Look. It's a slide. Look. Here.